welcome to H&S Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word. So we have a sample PDF file here, which is a certificate. And now let's go to our Microsoft Word application. Here, if you go to open, let's open up the file which we want to convert. And we have this on desktop. Let's open it. Now you'll get this dialog box. This is one of those dialog boxes where you always click OK, but what it says is that Word will convert the PDF file into an editable Word document. This is what we want, and the resulting Word document will be optimized to allow us to edit the text. So this is what we're looking to do. Now it might not look as the original file, exactly as the original file, because especially when it contains a lot of graphics, but I guess this will do for now. Let's go and click OK. Now as you can see, we've got all the file here. Now if you click here, as you can see, now I can just edit the text. You can type in anything over here. Let's just make this certificate. Okay, we can center it, we can move it along. Here we can just name it like by of the month. Now if we select the font here, let's make it smaller so we can see it, and then here let's center it so it looks nice, and we can change the font as we want it. Here we can put in a name, anything. Now over here, for example, this bit, we can change this. Instead of signature, we want something else like presented by, and we can always make this bigger. Let's make it bigger so it looks nicer. Okay, now as you can see, we can't click here. Now in order to add something here, let's just take one of these text boxes, copy, paste, let's bring it down here, and then we can put in any name like John Smith or whatever you want to put in over here, and then we can copy paste the text box over here as well, and then we can put in the date, which is 14th of June 2020. Okay, and then we can move it along so it looks nicer. There you go. So we can just change the rest of the text here as well, and this way you have your certificate ready as per your requirement. Now in order to now we've edited the text. Now if we want to convert it, because obviously this is now a Word document, if we want to make it a PDF file again, we would have to go back to file, we would have to export it as a PDF. Okay, let's just save it. Let's just say create certificate 2, go publish, and let's see, it will convert this into a PDF file again, and now we have the edited version of our PDF file, which looks, this was the original version and we have the edited version. So this is how you can edit your PDF files using the Microsoft Word application. Hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.